Okay, good day. So our topic for today is all about the sets and introduction. So this is our first lesson on the first quarter of grade 7 mathematics. So before we tackle this lesson, we have to unlock different difficulties or yung mga terminologies na ating gagamitin para kapag nakasalubong natin when we discuss this topic is hindi na kayo maninibago. Then una is yung integers. So when we say integers, pasok diyan ang negative numbers, 0 and the positive numbers. So, kapag negative numbers, nandyan yung mga negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 0, okay? Then, positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. Kaya, infinity. Okay? So, lahat ng positive, lahat ng negative, kasama ang 0, that's considered as integers. Then, next is yung tinutukoy natin na whole numbers. So, ang ibig sabihin ng whole numbers, nandyan yung 0. Then, yung mga positive numbers. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, wala siyang negative pag sinabi natin whole numbers. And, yung sunod naman natin is yung counting or the natural number. So, ang pinagkaiba lang niya sa whole number, wala siyang 0. Lahat siya ay positive. Di ba kapag nagka-count naman tayo ng mga bagay, start tayo lagi with 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, meron ako diyan nilagay na tatlong bilog or tatlong tuldok, yung dot, dot, dot. Tawagin. Pero ang tawag natin doon is ellipses. Yeah, ellipses. So, when we say ellipses, mahaba. Hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan matatapos. So, imbes na isulat natin lahat ng positive numbers, gagamit na lang tayo ng ellipses para hindi magtagal. Next, even numbers. So, even, ibig sabihin, divisible lagi siya by 2. So, starts tayo with 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on and so forth. So, parang skip counting by 2. Ayan. 2, dadagdagan 2, magiging 4, plus 2, magiging 6, and so on and so forth. Then, add numbers naman, kabaliktaran even, start tayo kay 1. Ayan. 1, 3, 5. Sila yung mga number na hindi madidivide by 2. So, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Cannot divide by 2. The next is yung tinatawag nating prime numbers. So, when we say prime numbers, the only factor is 1 and itself. So, halimbawa, yung 2. Ang 2 daw prime number. So, 2 is the smallest prime number. So, 2, kasi ang factor lang niya is 2 times 1. Tama? 2 and 1. Wala nang iba. Then, sa 3 and 1, sa 5 and 1, 7 at 1, sa 11 at 1, and so on and so forth. Basta ang factor niya ay 1 and itself, prime numbers. Then, kapag composite naman, hindi lang isa yung kanilang factor. Halimbawa, 4. Diba meron tayong 2 times 2? Meron tayong 4 times 1. Sa 6, meron tayong 3 times 2, meron din 6 times 1. Then sa 8, ganun din, 4 times 2, tsaka 8 times 1. Si 9, kaya siya isinama as composite number kasi may factor siya na 3 and 3, tsaka 9 times 1. How about 1? So, 1 is neither prime, neither composite. Kasi kapag sinabi nating prime, we have 2 positive divisor. Okay? Kapag 1 kasi, isa lang yung positive divisor natin, 1 lang. Okay? 1 times 1 lang. Parehas 1. Okay, dapat ay 2 positive divisor. Then, kapag perfect square numbers naman, sila yung mga product ng pinag-multiply natin by itself. Halimbawa natin, 1 times 4. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. So, bakit po na-consider as perfect square number si 1? Kasi si 1 is product siya ng 1 times what? 1 times 1. Then si 4, product siya ng 2 times 2. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 2 minultiply sa sarili niya. Kaya yung 4 is considered as perfect square number. How about si 9? 3 times 3. So, pwede rin natin ilagay dyan si 144. So, 144 is also a perfect square number since it is the product of 12 times itself or 12 times 12. So, sila yung tinatawag natin perfect square number. Yung mga product. So, 1, 4, 9, 144. Next is yung multiples. So, multiples parang skip counting lamang yan. Halimbawa, skip counting by 5, di 5, 10, 15, 20. Halimbawa, multiples of 3, edi 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on and so forth. Okay na. Ngayon, meron ako dito different pictures. So, you have to group them according to their classification or characteristics. Then, after that, we will label each group. Una, nandyan yung narako, sampagita, mahogany, ilang-ilang, akasya, orchids, kamagong, dahlia, mulawin, rose, daisy, and yakal. Okay? So, kung i-group ko siya, meron ako ditong group A at group B. So, sa group A ko, ang nilagay ko is yung nara, mahogany, yakal, akasya, mulawin, kamagong. Then, sa group B, ang nilagay ko, sampagita, rose, ilang-ilang, daisy, orchids, and yung dahlia. So, bakit kaya ganyan ang aking groupings? Kasi ginurup ko sila according to their characteristics. Yung group A, ay lahat sila ay puno. Then yung group B, sila ay mga flowers. So, kung mapapansin nyo, nilagay ko sila inside a bracket or braces. Yan. So, A equals nara, mahogany, akasya, yakal, mulawin, kamagong. And if I'm going to classify them as one, I can write A is equal to the set or group of trees. Tama? Then yung B, ba sila yung mga flowers. So, if I classify them as one, we can say that that is a set or group of flowers. And yung ating yung mga group na nabanggit, in set or group, yan. Sila yung mga example natin ng sets. Yan. And set is an organized collection of objects with a common characteristics. Kaya nga kanina pinagsama-sama ko yung parehas ang characteristics or katangian. It is named using a capital letter. I have here an example. Halimbawa, set C is equal to the set or group of even numbers. As you can see, the letter C is malaki. And kapag magpapangalan tayo ng set, we can use any letter in the alphabet. Okay? Then D, set of numbers greater than 5. So, hindi laging A, hindi laging B, hindi laging C, D. So, any numbers in the alphabet pwedeng gamitin as the name of a given set. So, as you can see dun sa set C, di ba? Set or group of even numbers. So, ang characteristics nila, lahat sila daw ay even number. Then, sa D, set of numbers greater than 5, ibig sabihin lahat sila ay number na mas mataas kaysa sa 5. Elements. So, sila naman yung sinasabi natin individual objects contained in a given set. So, sila yung laman, okay, or the individual objects inside a set. Ito yung symbol na ginagamit if an object is an element. At kapag hindi siya element, lalagyan lang natin siya ng parang slash. Okay? Not an element. Next example. Set A is the set or group of trees. So we can say that nara, mahogany, akasya, yakal, mulawin, and kamagong, sila yung mga elements. So ilan yung elements ng set A? We have nara, mahogany, akasya, yakal, mulawin, kamagong. So, 6 elements ang set A or members of the given set. Elements or members, the same lamang siya. We can say that nara is an element of set A. Mahogany is an element of set A. How about kaya yung mga flowers? Halimbawa, sampagita. Di ba hindi naman siya trees? Kaya, sampagita is not an element of set A. Dahlia is not an element of set A. Another example, I have here, set A is equal to the set of school days in a week. So, ano po yung mga school days na tayo, mga araw na tayo pumapasok sa school nang wala pang pandemic? Diba? That is Monday to Friday. Tama? So, therefore, the elements of set A is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Monday is an element of set A. About Thursday is an element of set A. How about yung Sunday kaya? Okay, Sunday is not an element of set A kasi hindi naman tayo pumapasok on Sunday. Hindi siya school days. Then, if we are going to use a Venn diagram, ganito magiging itsura niya. Meron tayong 2 circles nag-overlap dun sa gitna. Parang merong pinagtamaan. Dito, para mas malinaw sa atin, gumamit ako ng 2 different colors for 2 circles. Yung kulay red, sila yung set A. Lahat ng laman ng red circle, set A. Then, lahat ng laman ng blue circle, set B. So, what are the elements of set A? So, elements of set A is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung 2, hagip na siya ng blue, di ba? Pero hagip pa rin siya ng red. Kaya isinali ko pa rin siya sa set A. Then sa set B, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Isinali ko pa rin si 2 kasi pasok pa rin siya sa kulay blue na circle or sa ating set B. At kung mapapansin nyo, nung sinulat ko sila sa Venn diagram, isang beses ko lamang sinulat si 2. Okay? Kasi parehas naman silang meron, dun na lamang sa gitna. And we have here different ways of describing elements of a given set. Una is yung by definition. So, parang ilalagay lang natin set of counting the members of a set of trees, yan, by definition or by words. Then, by listing, iisa-isahin natin using commas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Then, by set notation, iisa-isahin pa rin, pero lalagyan lang natin ng braces dun sa gilid. Halimbawa, set of primary colors. So, that is the set of red, yellow, and blue. Example, describe the elements of set A. So, by definition, that is the set of even numbers from 4 to 12. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, lahat sila even number. Okay, pero sila ay nagsimula sa 4, nagtapos sa 12. Kaya, even numbers from 4 to 12. Kung iisa-isay natin siya by listing, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. By set notation, lalagyan lamang na braces sa gilid. Open and close braces. Set B ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And kung maaalala nyo, sila ay set of counting numbers from 1 to 6. Di ba counting numbers yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yan. Set notation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inisa-isa, tapos nilagyan na ang braces. Next is yung tinatawag nating universal set. So, ito yung set which contains all objects including itself. It is denoted by the symbol, yung parang capital U. May tandaan yung symbol. And then next is yung ating subset. So, a subset is a set kung saan yung mga elements niya is laman pa rin or members pa din ng ibang set. So, ito yung symbol naman for a subset. Kapag naman gagamitin natin, halimbawa dito sa ating example, describe the subset and the universal set shown below. Yung rectangle, that corresponds our universal set. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng laman ng rectangle is part ng universal set. So, set U is the universal set. And what are the elements of the universal set? So, elements of the universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, kahit laman na siya ng circle, laman pa din siya ng rectangle. Kaya isinali ko pa din siya sa universal set. Lahat ng nasa loob ng rectangle. Universal set. Then, set Q, yun yung tinatawag nating subset. Okay, set Q is the subset of the universal set. Kasi yung mga laman ng set Q, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, is also members of another set, which is the universal set. Ayan. So, set Q is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And we can say that set Q is a subset of the universal set. Another example, we have the set A. Set A is equal to the set of M, N, and P. So, ang kanyang subsets, iisa-isahin natin. Okay, so, ayan. Yung una, walang laman. Yung pangalawa, M lamang. So, yung M is a subset. Ano yan? Laman yan, ha? Then, N is a subset. Yan. P, M and N, M and P, N and P, M, N, and P. So, in order to know the number of subsets in a given set, gagamitin natin yung formula 2 raised to the n, where n is the number of the elements. So, kung mapapansin nyo, di ba tatlo yung elements ng ating set A? So, ang mangyayari dyan, 2 to the third power. Yan. Kaya, ano ibig sabihin ng 2 to the third? Ibig sabihin, tatlong beses mo i-multiply yung base, yung nasa baba. Kaya, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8 subsets. Bilangin natin kung naka-8 tayong subset. Yung walang laman, yung M, yung N, yung P, yung M and N, yung M and P, yung N and P, saka yung M, N, and P. Ngayon, nagtataka kayo, bakit po yung walang laman is subset pa din? At saka bakit po yung given subset pa din? Kasi tatandaan na every set is a subset of itself and yung walang laman is a subset of every set. And yung walang laman na set, okay, yun yung tinatawag natin null set or an empty set. So, null set, empty, ibig sabihin no elements. So, the null set, laging tatahan, is always a subset of any set. So, kapag humihingi pala ng subset ng isang set, laging kasali si null set o yung walang laman. And the symbol for a null set is this. So, parang bilog na may slash or yung braces na walang laman. Hindi natin yun pwedeng lagyan ng kahit ano kasi kapag yun nilagyan natin halimbawa ng 0, hindi na siya null set. Meron na siyang element. Dapat walang laman. So, that is the symbol used to refer an empty set or a null set. Next is the cardinality of a set. So, as simple as parang bibilangin nyo lang kung ilan yung laman ng given set or ilan yung elements. So, it is written as n tapos open close parenthesis a. Okay, so example tayo. Like for example, what is the cardinality of set A? So, ibig sabihin bibilangin lang or count how many elements are inside set A. Okay, so the cardinality of set A is 6. Bakit? Kasi kasali dun ang 2 kasi siya ipasok pa dun sa circle ng set A. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So, the cardinality of set A is 6. Then, the cardinality of set B is 5. Bakit? Kasi 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay? Bibilangin nyo lang kung ilan yung given elements in a given set. Yun yung cardinality. Then, after that, the introduction on sets. Papasok tayo dun sa operations on sets. So, we have different operations on sets starting with the intersection sets. So, it is denoted by A, tapos yung parang nakabaliktad na U, B. A intersection B is the set of elements common to both sets A and B. Parang baga, ano yung meron kay set A na meron din kay set B? So, yung sets with no common elements are called disjoint sets. Example tayo. I have here an example of set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. So, kapag ang hinihingi natin is A intersection B, ano yung meron kay A na meron din kay B? So, di ba 2, 4, 6. Meron pa? Okay, wala na. So, therefore, the common elements of A and B are 2, 4, and 6. So, A intersection B is 2, 4, and 6. Isang beses lamang isusulat. So, yun yung may common elements. Then, kung ilalagay natin siya into Venn diagram, yan, dalawang below may nag-overlap, then may pinagtamaan sa gitna, doon nyo ilalagay sa gitna yung common elements. Laging tatandaan, unang inilalagay ang common elements. Ayan, 2, 4, 6. Then, yung natira, halimbawa sa set A, di ba na isulat na natin yung 2, 4, 6. Ang natira na lamang is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Then, sa set B, ang natira na lamang ay 8, 10, and 12. So, kapag meron silang common elements, we can consider that the sets are joint sets. How about naman halimbawa dito? Example number 2. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then set B is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So kung papansinin nyo, walang common elements between the two given set. Therefore, kung wala, anong isusulat? A intersection B is a null set or an empty set. So, kapag walang common elements, again, ang tawag ay disjoint sets. Ay tandaan ang pinagkaiba. Then, after the intersection, nandun si union of sets. So, kabaliktaran ng intersection, ang union, nakatayo naman yung kanyang U. A intersection B, A union B. The union of sets is the set of all elements found in both sets. So, ayan yung symbol, and then read as A union B. All you have to do is to combine or to add the elements of set A and the elements of set B. Di ba kapag nag-a-add, pinagsasama lamang natin, yun ang union. Example, set A is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Set B is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, kapag ang hinihingi ay union, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Kung mapapansin nyo, kahit dalawa yung 1, isang beses ko na lamang siya isinusulat kasi no repetition po tayo. Then yung 3, dalawang beses din meron sa A, meron sa B. And since ang hinihingi ay union, isang beses din lamang isusulat. Okay? Pinagsama ko lang. yung laman ng set A, pinagsama ko sa laman ng set B. Kaya nagkaroon ako ng A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? All you have to do is to combine all the elements. Halimbawa, ilalagay natin siya sa Venn diagram. Sabi ko kanina, ang laging ilalagay sa gitna is yung meron si A, meron din si B, kasi yun ang intersection. Okay, and then yung mga natira, sa set A, 5 and 7. Then ang natira sa set B is 2, 4, and 6. Sample number 2, I have here 5, 10. Set A is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Then set B is 10, 20, 30. So, if I ask A union B, therefore your answer will be 5, set of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Kung mapapansin, isang beses ko lamang sinulat si 10, isang beses ko lamang din sinulat si 20. Kahit sila ay parehas meron sa A at sa B. Venn diagram natin, sa gitna is yung common elements, which is 10 and 20. Then, yung sa gilid ng A, na hindi mahagip ng blue, or nung set B, is 5, 15, and 25. Then, sa kabila, natira lamang ay 30. Ayan. Yan ang union of sets. Yun na yun. Union. Okay, try tayo. Meron ako dito ang given na set A is 1, 3, 5, and 7. Set B is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Set C is 2, 4, 6, and 8. And set D is 5, 6, 7, 8. So, ang hinihingi ko sa number 1 is A union B. Ibig sabihin, combine the elements of A and B. So, your answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. I just combine the elements of A and B. How about for number 2? C union D. So, all you have to do is to combine the elements of C and D. So, ang mangyayari ay 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kahit nahuulit siya, isang beses nyo lamang isusulat. Then number 3, A intersection C. Anong meron kay set A na meron din kay set C? So, saan ka titingin? Sa set A at sa set C. Okay, huwag malilito. Sa set A na meron din sa set C, ano yung intersection nilang dalawa? Ano yung meron kay A na meron din kay C? Okay, so null set or empty set kasi wala namang elements or walang common elements between set A and set C. Then, how about number 4? B union D. So, titingin sa set B at sa set D. Pagsasamahin kasi yun yun. Ibig sabihin, combine. Pagsamahin lang natin ang laman ng set B at laman ng set D. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then, number 5, A intersection D. Ano meron kay set A na meron din kay set D? Ano ba yung meron sa kanilang dalawa? Okay, so di ba ang meron sa kanilang dalawa ay yung element na 5. Tama? Okay, so therefore, ayun pala, may 7 pa din. Kaya ang A intersection D is 5 and 7. Ayun lamang. Okay, next. Complement of sets. So it is denoted by A, tapos yung parang may apostrophe sa taas. A complement ang basa. Is the set of elements that are not in set A, but in the universal set. Kung ang given ay A complement, di ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set A. Kung B complement, ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set B. Ganun lamang. Okay, not in set A. Okay, example, universal set is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then I have your given sets. Sets A. Set A is 2 and 4. Set B is 2, 3, and 4. Set C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then set D is an empty set. Number 1. A complement. Ano yung meron kay universal set na wala kay set A? Okay, so ang sagot is 1, 3, and 5. Ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set A? Di ba sa set A meron tayong 2 and 4? Ang wala siya ay 1, 3, and 5. Then sa number 2, B complement. Ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set B? Di ba sa set B, meron tayong sa given 2, 3, and 4. Ano na lang yung nawawala? Di yung 1 and 5. How about sa C? Ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set C? Kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng elements ni C nasa element din ng universal set. Therefore, ang C complement natin is an empty set. Then sa number 4, ano yung D complement? Ano yung meron sa universal set na wala kay set D? Since ang set D natin is an empty set, ibig sabihin lahat yan, okay, ay wala sa set D. Meron sa universal set, pero wala sa set D. Kaya ang magiging sagot is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another example. A universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yung ating number 1, A complement is 1, 3, and 5. Okay, kung ilalagay natin sa Venn diagram, yung rectangle, yun ang universal set, yung bilog, yun ang set A. Okay, ilalagay natin dun sa bilog is kung yung given na 2 and 4, di ba ang given natin A is 2 and 4. Then, yung ating A complement is yung mga nasa labas, okay, ng bilog. Yun ang A complement, nasa universal set pero wala sa given set. Then, B complement is 1 and 5. So, pag nilagay sa diagram, okay, sa loob yung given, 2, 3, and 4. Then, yung B complement sa labas. Pero nasa loob ng universal set. C complement, okay, di ba empty set ang sagot natin. Therefore, lahat ay nasa loob. Okay, C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kita naman sa ating given. Then, number 4, D complement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yung sagot natin. Kapag nilagay sa diagram, di ba yung sa Venn diagram, walang laman yung D, empty set. Kaya, lahat yan ay nasa labas. Okay? Kung medyo mabilis, pwede nyo i-pause tong video na to and then pag-aralan nyo kung paano nakuha. Last is the difference of two sets. It is written as A minus B or the set of elements of A na wala kay B. So, ganun lamang. Kapag nauna yung A, ibig sabihin, ano yung meron kay A na wala kay B. Kung B minus A ang given, ano yung meron kay B na wala kay A. Example, ayan, yung given. Yung mga ganyan, lagi yung given. Number 1, A minus B. Ano yung meron kay A na wala kay B? Tingin ka sa set A at sa set B. Anong meron kay A na wala kay B? Diba ang sagot ay 1 and 4. Kasi merong 2 and 5 kay B. How about number 2? B minus A. Meron si B na wala si A. Diba 3? Yan, kasi walang 3 si A. Pero meron 3 si B. Ganun lamang. Then number 3, C minus D. Elements that is present in set C but not in set D. Okay, so the answer is 3. Meron si C na wala si D. Ay, kasali din pala doon ang 1. Sa ating number 3, okay, C minus D, kasama din ang 1. Magiging sagot dyan ay C minus D is equal to, yan, sulat natin ang ayos. C minus D is 1 and 3. Yan. Ito po ang tamang sagot sa C minus D. Hindi lang natin i-type. Type po enter na ano. C minus D is equal to 1 and 3 kasi merong 1 si C na wala si D. Merong 3 si C na wala si D. Okay, how about naman D minus C? Ano meron si D na wala kay C? Okay, meron siyang 2 and 4. Meron si D pero wala si C. Yan lang. Okay, ulitin ko ha. Yung C minus D is 1 and 3. Okay? Ayan. Ayan. So, we are done for today. So, yan lamang yung ating lesson for the week 1 according sa ating module ng Calabarzon. Week 1 ng ating Mathematics 7. So, yan ay align sa ating MELT o yung mga dapat natin i-discuss or the most essential learning competencies. So, I hope lahat ay nag-stay at home. Kapag hindi naman kailangan, stay at home na lang and then maghugas ng kamay, mag-sanitize. Okay? Stay healthy, kumain mabuti, mag-aral ng mabuti. Mag-mask kapag aalis. So, God bless and happy learning.